Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer without ever really working? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's a completely different relationship with money. Most people wake up, go to work, get paid, and repeat. This is called trading time for money. But the rich? They wake up and money works for them bared, even while they sleep. This is the core idea of rich dad, poor dad pain, and it changed how millions think about money. So what exactly is this difference? Let's break it down simply.
The poor and middle class work for money. The rich make money work for them.
It starts with understanding assets and liabilities. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Most people think their house is an asset, but if it's costing you monthly, it's a liability. The rich buy assets first. The poor buy liabilities thinking they're assets. Now let's talk about the cash flow quadrant, one of the most powerful diagrams in personal finance.
On the left side, we have E, employee. This person trades time for a paycheck. Below that is self-employed. They own a job, not a business. No work, no income.
On the right side is B, business owner. They own a system that works without them. And finally, I do, investor. Their money earns more money completely passively. The rich live on the right side. Most of us are stuck on the left. The key difference? Fear. Most people are afraid of not having a steady paycheck. The rich fear being broke more than they fear taking a smart risk. Reason 1. The rich have financial education. Schools teach us math, science, history, but almost nothing about money. The rich educate themselves about investing, taxes, and how money actually flows. They know tax laws that allow them to legally pay less in taxes than their employees. This is not cheating, it's financial intelligence. Knowledge is the new money. Reason 2. The rich build or buy income-generating assets. These can be rental properties, stocks, businesses, royalties, or digital products. Every asset adds a new stream of income without requiring extra hours.
Think of it like planting trees. You water them once, and they keep giving fruit for years.
Reason 3. The rich let their assets pay for their lifestyle. They don't buy a luxury car from their salary. Their assets pay for it. This is called velocity of money. Every dollar doing more than one job. Reason 4. The rich think long-term and delay gratification. They invest in their 20s and 30s so their 50s and 60s are completely free. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world, and the rich harness it fully. $1,000 invested at 10% return becomes $17,449 in 30 years paying, without adding a cent. Reason 5. The rich build networks, not just careers. Your network is your net worth. Every connection opens a door education cannot. Rich people surround themselves with accountants, lawyers, and financial advisors. They pay for advice that saves them far more money than it costs. Reason 6. Dex Nipimas. The rich are not afraid to fail. They see failure as tuition. Every successful investor has lost money. The difference is they learned and kept going. The average person quits after one failure. The rich pivot and try again, smarter. Now then, debts. Passive income versus earned income. This is the most powerful concept. Earned income stops the moment you stop working. Passive income keeps flowing. The goal is to have passive income exceed your expenses. Once passive income exceeds expenses, that is financial freedom. Step 1. Track your money. Know exactly where it is going right now.
Step 2. Simplified. Reduce liabilities and start saving, even just $50 or $100 a month.
Step 3. Learn about one asset class: stocks, real estate, or a side business. Step 4. Invest consistently, even in small amounts. Time does the rest. Step 5. Reinvest your profits. Do not spend them. These 5 steps won't make you rich overnight, but they will shift which side of the quadrant you're on. The rich don't work for money because they spent time learning, building, and investing. Money is a tool. Like any tool, it needs to be understood before it can be used. The rich aren't superhuman. They simply learned the rules of the money game.
And the best part? You can learn those rules too, validly, starting today.
If this video helped you see money differently, smash that like button and subscribe to PulseFinance.
Drop a comment below with Lev. What is your first step going to be? See you in the next one.